Welcome to our podcast episode where we delve into the world of cryptocurrency, exploring its impact, potential, and the ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies. In major developments from the cryptocurrency sector, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, commonly known as CZ, has resigned amid escalating regulatory pressures. This move coincides with Zhao's guilty plea in a money laundering case, agreeing to a substantial $4.3 billion settlement, one of the largest corporate penalties in U.S. history. This settlement, involving various United States agencies and Binance, has stirred significant volatility in the cryptocurrency market, raising questions about Binance's future operations. Further, the severity of the charges may subject CZ to potential legal consequences, including a 10-year jail term. He also agreed to settle a separate $50 million fine as part of the settlement with the U.S. Department of Justice. Amidst these controversies, Richard Teng has been confirmed as the new CEO of Binance. This leadership transition occurs while Binance is facing multiple charges and legal actions for alleged anti-money laundering violations. The unprecedented scale of these developments has left an impact on Binance's native token, BNB. Despite earlier gains following reports of Binance seeking a settlement with U.S. regulators, the token's price plunged by 10% after CZ's resignation. Nevertheless, some analysts predict potential growth opportunities for the market, like an anticipated breakout for cryptocurrency XRP. Dreams of positive outcomes, however, seem to hang by a thread as recent unsealing of indictments against Binance and CZ provided detailed insights into the charges leveled, including evasion of sanctions. These criminal allegations by the Department of Justice indicate a hardening regulatory stance towards crypto exchanges, further reinforced by Binance's consent to pay the hefty fine. Despite the mounting legal pressures, CZ plans to remain the majority owner of the company under the terms of the settlement agreement, signaling enduring challenges for Binance's future under looming U.S. scrutiny. This situation underscores the ever-evolving landscape of crypto regulations, and unsurprisingly, all eyes are on Binance, as it embarks on a path that may fundamentally reshape cryptocurrency regulation and compliance. The unanticipated disclosure of CZ's potential guilty plea and resignation saw prices drop for several cryptocurrencies. However, in the same vein, it has also driven a rally, with Bitcoin and Binance Coin gaining momentum as Binance prepared for the steep settlement. With Binance committing to paying the fines without any sell-off of their cryptocurrency holdings, as indicated by a director at Coinbase, this case has further highlighted the depth of Binance's financial resources. Summing it up, Binance and its former CEO face a formidable challenge, paying off a record $4.3 billion settlement in a U.S. criminal case. This case's outcome could shape future cryptocurrency oversight and compliance. As CZ prepares to step down amid guilty pleas, Binance aims to navigate these legal upsets by paying the fine without liquidating its crypto assets. In the latest news from bitget, the renowned cryptocurrency trading platform has announced the listing of two new tokens, Pyth Network and Vertex VRTX. The addition of Pyth to bitget's platform is set to enhance access to reliable price oracles in the blockchain environment, delivering more precise and trustworthy data for user trading activities. Meanwhile, the inclusion of the VRTX token will further foster bitget's ecosystem, presenting users with even more opportunities and options for their trading ventures. With these new token introductions, bitget solidifies its standing in the cryptocurrency market and maintains its pledge to provide users with a diversified range of assets. Keep following bitget news to stay updated on all the thrilling developments within the cryptocurrency sphere. In unfortunate news from the cryptocurrency community, Bittrex Global, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange based in Liechtenstein, has announced its decision to halt all trading activities and wind down its operations, with a closure date set for December 4, 2023. This decision comes as a shock to many and follows the previous collapse of its U.S. arm, which faced significant challenges before its shutdown. Bittrex Global, known for its reliable and secure exchange services, wide range of listed cryptocurrencies, and user-friendly interface, has also been dealing with a lawsuit from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Despite its reputable standing within the community, the company has found the various bumps in the road too significant to overcome, leading to the decision to close its doors. The closure of Bittrex Global is poised to have a substantial effect on the crypto market, as traders and investors that relied on the platform will need to seek alternatives. Rest assured, we will keep you updated with further developments regarding Bittrex Global and any ripple effect on the broader cryptocurrency industry. In our latest coverage on OKX, it is noteworthy to mention that the exchange has taken a significant step to apply for a Hong Kong license under the city's virtual asset scheme. This move positions OKX as the first major exchange to pursue this route, underscoring their commitment to operate within a regulated framework. In closely related news, Tether, a prominent stablecoin provider, has been actively engaged in freezing assets associated with criminal activity. In partnership with the U.S. Department of Justice, Tether has frozen $225 million worth of USDT following an investigation into a human trafficking organization to which the funds were allegedly tied. Compounding on their efforts, Tether further froze an equivalent amount of USDT in connection to a supposed global crypto fraud masterminded by a Southeast Asian human trafficking syndicate. This denotes Tether's resolve to combat illegitimate activities within the crypto arena. Furthermore, a collaborative effort between Tether and OKX ensued with both entities jointly freezing $225 million in USDT tied to a romance scam ring. This decisive action took aim to prevent further misuse of the stolen funds and safeguard users within the crypto community from such scams. These unfolding developments underline the fact that the crypto industry is not insulated from criminal activities. Key players such as OKX and Tether are proactively engaging in measures to address these concerns. We'll be keeping a close watch on how these progressions influence the broader crypto scene. Stay with us for continuous updates on OKX and Tether's strides towards fostering a regulated and safer crypto environment. In the latest Bitcoin news, we are seeing some intriguing developments in both primary and alternative cryptocurrencies. Recently, altcoins have been excelling past Bitcoin's gains, suggesting a possible alt season, a period when alternate cryptocurrencies witness substantial price surges relative to Bitcoin. Simultaneously, it's significant to evaluate Bitcoin's quantum resilience and how it might affect altcoins with the evolution of quantum computing. Quantum computing represents a potential risk to the security of numerous cryptocurrencies, so understanding the protection Bitcoin provides against such computational advances is vital. In a broader comparison, Bitcoin's average daily transaction fees have outpaced Ethereum's, attributable to renewed market participation in assets using the Ordinals protocol, boosting Bitcoin's transaction processing efficiency. Alongside this comparison, we are examining the concept of blockchain bonds and their connection to renowned cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, investigating the potential uses of blockchain bonds and their integration into the established cryptocurrencies. Turning our attention to the technical nuances of Bitcoin, we are seeing exploration of client-side block filtering through the launch of BIP 157 and BIP 158. These protocols aim to enhance the efficiency and privacy of the Bitcoin network, enabling users to filter blocks independently instead of depending on full nodes. Additionally, there's been a focus on seldom discussed RPC, remote procedure call calls in the Bitcoin blockchain system. The understanding of RPC calls, which are key for connections between different Bitcoin software components, aids in a deeper comprehension of the infrastructure. The Bitcoin Fast Relay Network, FRN, a key part of this infrastructure, has garnered attention for its proficient block propagation abilities, which aid the faster spreading of freshly mined blocks across the network, contributing to swift confirmation times and increased scalability of the Bitcoin network. In summary, today's Bitcoin News Roundup presents a wide variety of topics and developments that continue to shape the cryptocurrency landscape. Stay tuned for further updates and insights in this intriguing world of digital assets. In our latest Ethereum update, we have thrilling news for all Ethereum supporters. Ethereum, despite facing numerous challenges, has showcased resilience by maintaining stability at the $2,000 range and has even surged above this mark. Currently, it is showing promising signs of breaking the $2,100 resistance level. This impressive trajectory is a testament to the escalating investor confidence in the platform. The growing interest in Ethereum is further evident by a significant increase in active and new addresses on its network, indicating its expanding adoption. This, combined with Ethereum's bullish trend as its highly anticipated Cancun upgrade nears, highlights an optimistic future for the platform. The upgrade, welcomed by investors and developers alike, is expected to enhance scalability, efficiency, and security, thereby improving the Ethereum network considerably. Ethereum's market capitalization has hit a staggering $242.34 billion, underlining the platform's substantial value within the cryptocurrency space. Given these positive developments and the growing community interest, Ethereum persistently cements its position as a leading blockchain platform in the market. For today, that wraps up our Ethereum update. Keep tuning into our podcast for more exciting news and updates from the cryptocurrency world. In this edition of Shiba Inu News, we focus on some intriguing developments. The popular cryptocurrency Shiba Inu appears to be bolstering above a crucial support level, suggesting a possible rally in the near future, drawing the keen attention of investors. Caution is advised, however, as scammers have also turned their focus to Shiba Inu investors. Emerging reports tell of fabricated tokens and malicious websites aiming to fool unsuspecting individuals, which emphasizes the crucial need for vigilance and appropriate safeguards in the cryptocurrency landscape. On a related note, Shiba Inu, SHIB, recently saw an astonishing 47,872% uptick in its burn rate. This considerable growth coincides with an approaching significant milestone for the token. How this steep rise in burn rate will affect the overall supply and potentially the Shiba Inu price, only time will tell. Meanwhile, a guide suggesting ways to make millions through Shiba Inu has been making rounds. It postulates that if the token reaches either $0.01 or $0.01, significant financial rewards may be achievable. Although such guides should be considered with a healthy degree of skepticism, they also reflect the positive sentiment within the Shiba Inu community. This is reflected in the community's recent efforts to hike the SHIB burn rate by an enormous 48,000%. This strategy aims at reducing the token's circulating supply, which could potentially impact its price. Clearly, the Shiba Inu community is enthusiastically engaged in shaping the token's future. To keep abreast of upcoming happenings in the dynamic cryptocurrency field, stay connected to our Shiba Inu updates. In recent Tether news, the controversial cryptocurrency is facing multiple legal challenges. Britannia Bank is embroiled in a lawsuit regarding a massive $1 billion Tether deposit, adding another layer of scrutiny to the cryptocurrency. The specifics of this deposit remain nebulous. In addition, the U.S. Justice Department has been cracking down on relationship scams involving cryptocurrencies, seizing a staggering $9 million in Tether cryptocurrency, affecting more than 70 victims. This event underscores the prevalence of scams within the digital currency community and highlights the urgency for increased vigilance and stronger measures to combat them. In a significant blow to Tether, the company has been forced to freeze a substantial $225 million in USDT after a Department of Justice investigation. This marks the largest ever seizure of USDT and brings forth questions about the stability and regulatory measures around this widely used stablecoin. Moreover, an additional $9 million in Tether's USDT was seized by the U.S. Justice Department, associated with a romance scam organization, further emphasizing the need for enhanced regulation and oversight. Considering these lawsuits and seizures, the importance of these situations within the cryptocurrency landscape cannot be understated. They serve as critical reminders of inherent risks and vulnerabilities in the world of cryptocurrencies, advocating for comprehensive oversight and regulation. Follow closely for more updates as these cases unfold and their repercussions ripple across the cryptocurrency community. In the latest Circle News headline, we are thrilled to announce an exciting development for those intrigued by cryptocurrency. Circle, a forerunner in the digital currency industry, has recently unveiled a revolutionary feature known as the Bridged USDC standard. This innovative facet will streamline the procedure of launching USDC, Circle's stablecoin, on various networks, a move designed to increase the adoption and drive its dominance in the cryptocurrency market. The bridged USDC standard facilitates developers in creating unofficial renditions of USDC on diverse blockchains. These provisional iterations can ultimately evolve into native and official versions of USDC on the respective chains. This groundbreaking technology is a significant stride toward mitigating fragmentation across various chains, consequently augmenting the utility of stablecoins. The primary objective behind Circle's introduction of the bridged USDC standard is to extend the functionality and accessibility of its stablecoin, thereby enabling usability on multiple blockchains. Emphasizing its commitment to invigorate innovation, Circle's simplified procedure for launching stablecoins broadens horizons for developers and blockchain enthusiasts by promoting the utilization of stablecoins across an array of platforms. We anticipate further enhancements and integrations courtesy of Circle's relentless effort to boost the ecosystem. Stay tuned for subsequent updates on the impact of Circle's bridged USDC standard on the cryptocurrency milieu and the new opportunities it unearths in the crypto space. In our latest edition of Coinpedia News, we are bringing you significant updates from the cryptoverse. Beginning on a surprising note, Bittrex Global, a renowned cryptocurrency exchange, has declared its plan to shut down by the end of 2023. This unexpected announcement has left many in the crypto community astounded and concerned about the destiny of their assets on the platform. Diving into crypto market analysis, we're forecasting potentially significant price shifts for specific cryptocurrencies. Solana SOL, one of the high-performing cryptos recently, is projected to see a drastic reduction, potentially dropping below $50 by 2023. On the contrary, bullish predictions surround ApeCoin, a new player in the crypto arena, which is forecasted to accelerate to $2.651 by 2023 and further to $21.642 by 2030. Although promising, these forecasts underline the inherent volatility of crypto prices and emphasize the need for in-depth research and risk consideration before investing. In regulatory updates, the Justice Department seized $9 million in tether from an organization linked to scams. This event is indicative of the continued efforts by authorities to purge fraudulent activities and is a stern reminder for investors to strictly deal with reputable platforms and projects. Furthermore, despite improving on-chain metrics, Litecoin's price remains idle, which underscores the obscurity of price prediction in the volatile crypto market. Finally, we present price predictions for Kaspa, CAS, and Meme Moguls, MGLS. While Kaspa is projected to record substantial growth, Meme Moguls is speculated to see a 100x value surge. However, these projections are speculative and should be handled with discretion. That concludes today's Coinpedia news segment. We will keep you posted on all exciting developments from the whirlwind world of cryptocurrency. On the latest episode of Crypto News, we continue to track the notable movements in the world of cryptocurrencies. One of the lead stories is the resilience of Bitcoin, as experts forecast its value to hold steady, unlikely to fall below $30,000 if current patterns persist. This prediction is a welcome relief for many Bitcoin investors concerned about cryptocurrency market fluctuations. On the other side of the spectrum, Bonk, a Solana blockchain-based meme coin, has seen a remarkable 1,700% increase in value within just a month. This massive surge reached an all-time high and illustrates the rising trend and popularity of meme coins, often driven by social media hype and community support. The breathtaking performance of Bonk in such a short time reminds us of the significant profit potential within the cryptocurrency sector. In regulatory news, Chinese authorities are accelerating their efforts against crypto-related illegal activities. Reports indicate that the Chinese police have captured 27 suspects involved in a hefty $140 million cryptocurrency money laundering operation. This event underscores the continuous push by enforcement agencies to suppress fraudulent activities within the cryptocurrency sphere. That sums up the recent events in the cryptocurrency domain. Stay with Crypto News for further updates, and we'll connect with you again in our next episode. Following the presidential election victory of Javier Milei, a pro-Bitcoin candidate in Argentina, the value of Bitcoin has surged beyond $37. This has had a ripple effect across the nation and the cryptocurrency community, sparking hopes for Bitcoin to be adopted as legal tender in Argentina and possibly extending to other Latin American nations. Immediately after the election, analysts began scrutinizing notes from the Federal Reserve and contemplating Milei's potential push for Bitcoin's legal recognition. The formidable rise of Bitcoin underscores Argentina's growing inclination towards cryptocurrencies amidst its rampant inflation. Overall, Milei's win represents a promising development for wider adoption of Bitcoin in the region, stirring both anticipation and excitement within the global crypto community. Following the controversy and subsequent departure of Sam Altman from OpenAI, his position at WorldCoin remains stable. Concurrently, there's a spike in interest for AI tokens such as WorldCoin, WLD, and FET. Despite a drop in WLD prices in November 2023, recent signs point towards a recovery. Crypto analysts are also optimistic about the FET price, expecting a continued rise. Stay tuned for more news on Sam Altman's ventures in light of these developments. Phoenix Group, a market leader in the crypto mining industry, has recently announced some exciting developments. The company's initial public offering, IPO sales, have significantly surpassed expectations and projections, being an astounding 33 times oversubscribed. This extraordinary response not only highlights the growing interest in Phoenix Group, but also testifies to the escalating enthusiasm towards the company's public debut. The same success was mirrored in the company's recent initial share sale in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, which also experienced overwhelming demand, being oversubscribed 33 times over. This accomplishment reaffirms Phoenix Group's robust position in the rapidly evolving domain of Bitcoin mining and marks a new era in the UAE's adoption of digital currencies. Both of these achievements symbolize the shifting landscape of the cryptocurrency market and indicate a surge in investor confidence in Phoenix Group's future prospects. With their successful IPO and the remarkable public response, Phoenix Group continues to generate attention and assert its strong presence in the crypto mining industry.